Smooth that sugar sweet. You got what I need.
Popular materials make for popular designs, and there's no easier way to shop for jewelry making staples than by visiting our bestsellers page. This curated selection of beads, supplies, and findings only contain the crème de la crème of jewelry making supplies. Work with these leading products to create best-selling jewelry your customers will love with a level of quality that reflects your business. Stop spending hours searching for leading products and bring your focus back to creating with this easy-to-navigate page of must-have materials. Need evergreen material? Gemstones like amethyst, turquoise, and quartz are a solid choice. Literally. They never go out of style, hold special symbolism, and bring beautiful earthen appeal to your jewelry designs. Looking for versatility? Transform simple seed beads through loom work, off-loom stitches, bead embroidery, and more. There are so many colors and shapes and size options from our top brands, your imagination will fly. More of a big bling designer? Crystal Passions beads light up any jewelry design with unparalleled sparkle and shine. Our exquisite line of Crystal Passions beads offers all your favorite colors and finishes in popular shapes and sizes, including bicones, rounds, margarita flowers, rondelles, and more. Don't count out glass beads either. These cost-effective options are stylish, timeless, and accessible. Our bestsellers are sure to send you on your jewelry making journey with confidence. Metal is a classic complement to any style. From sterling silver to cloisonné, pewter to vermeil, you'll find metal components to be a beautiful and versatile way to elevate your work. Take the guesswork out of supply shopping and begin browsing these and all of our other amazing best-selling products. Happy beading from Fire Mountain Gems and Beads.